Welcome to this video on mastering induction cooktop error repairs, focusing specifically on the E6 and E9 error codes. Induction cooktops use a copper coil to create a magnetic field. This field induces heat directly in the ferrous pot, making the pot the primary heat source. Sensors monitor physical changes, and microprocessors protect the system. When a fault occurs, error codes like E6 or E9 appear to indicate the problem. Before attempting any repair, always perform a hard reset. Cut the power, wait 120 seconds, restore the power, and then test the unit. The E6 error often relates to the muscles of the system, stemming from voltage instability or a thermal overload. This suggests a power or heat management issue. For E6 errors, clean the intake vents, check the cooling fan for obstructions, and allow the unit to cool for 20 minutes before restarting. Also, non-compatible cookware can trigger E6 errors. Ensure your pot is completely flat on the bottom and a magnet strongly sticks to it. The E9 error is generally a brain issue. It indicates user interface blockages preventing input or communication failures within the control system. To resolve E9, disable the child lock by holding it for 5 seconds. Ensure the room temperature is above 18 degrees Celsius, and clean and dry the glass surface thoroughly. For advanced DIY fixes, check the ribbon cable connections inside the unit. You can also test the sensors with a multimeter, aiming for a resistance of approximately 1K ohms. Danger: internal components hold high voltage charges even when unplugged. Never open a plugged-in unit. Always use a non-contact voltage tester before touching internal parts. Danger: a cracked glass surface is a severe fire hazard, allowing liquids to reach live electrical components. If the glass is cracked, replace the entire glass assembly immediately. Error code meanings can vary by brand. For instance, on a Bosch unit, E6 often means a right-side power module error. On Samsung, E the 9th of May relate to touch key malfunction. Fisher and Paykel E9 can signal a filter board mismatch. In summary, E6 relates to overheating or power issues, requiring vent clearing, cooling, and a reset. E9 involves the user interface or control board, needing unlocking, drying, and wiring checks. Always start with a hard reset and maintain a clean, dry unit. Prioritize safety and know your limits when attempting internal repairs.